my name is Guillermo Ortiz, and this is for my class, Marketing Research. Here we have selected movies from the 1990s all the way to 2016. So right here, I decided to look for movies that made money back in the range of just 2000, movie 2000. So for the first slide, as you can see here, I did 2000 budget revenue of every movie made in the year 2000. So the first one here would be the movie title, of course, Three Strikes, and the budget it had, which was $6 million, and how much it made back in the box office, which was $9 million. So they earned more than half. My goal is to see if all the movies which movies did the best and earned their money back. Now here's the best-selling movies of those years. Three Strikes made a total of almost 10 million in the box office. All the Pretty Horses, almost 16 mil. American Psycho did pretty well for itself too, 16 mil. And now the overall movie scores on the according to IMDb, every movie of the 2000s, we have, let's see, Almost Fabulous going at a score of perfect 8. My scoring, I want to see they did the best on from 0 to 8, precisely. And for the revenue, I want to see, for their perfect budget, I wanted to go down to 20 million. Which movies made their best for 20 million and their lowest from whatever budget they had at the time. Now, here we have all three slides from three sheets from the previous slides. Now, here, if you select any of the highest box movies here, let's see, we are going to select Almost Famous with the IMDb score of 7. Now, we can scroll down and see if they made their money back, and obviously they did not do very well despite making the money back, despite being okay in the box office. Again, we can select this next one here. Let's see, this movie here, which is the IMDb score, which was great. Now, as we can see here, they had a gross revenue of 18 mil and a budget of 6 million. So they did very well for themselves. And that was my point of making this, to see if they made their money back, and their best scores if they made their money back. Thank you. That has been my presentation. I am Guillermo.